I'm Anil Kumar, sharing with you a very important question on finding limits of trigonometric functions. So we need to find limit when x approaches 0 for x sin x divided by 1 minus cos x. If I substitute 0 for x, what do I get? I get 0 times sine 0 divided by 1 minus cos 0, which is 0, right? Which is 0 over 1 minus 1, which is 0 over 0. So it is an indeterminate form, so we are not very sure what this limit is going to be. Therefore, in this particular case, we'll apply trigonometric identities, simplify the expression, take care of the common factor, and then substitute x equals to 0 to evaluate the limit. So that is the process to be followed. Now, one of the best ways of solving this will be to rationalize. We could multiply and divide by 1 plus cos x, right? So let's do that. So we have limit x approaches 0. We have x times sine x divided by 1 minus cos x. So if I multiply and divide by 1 plus cos x, what do I get? In the denominator, we get 1 minus cos x times 1 plus cos x, which is 1 minus cos square x, right? So we get 1 minus cos square x, which I hope you remember is sine square x. So that helps us to simplify. So that's the idea. That's why we rationalize. The numerator is x sine x within brackets 1 plus cos x. Now we could write this denominator as sine square x. We have x sine x times 1 plus cos x divided by sine square x. Sine x and sine x cancel out, so we could simplify this. X approaches 0, x times 1 plus cos x over sine x. Right? Now we have a similar expression which could be simplified. X over sine x, limit x equals to 0 is 1, correct? And then so we could actually simplify this and write it as, let's take it out to on the right side. So what we have here is, this could be written as limit. Let me rewrite here first and then I'll take it there. So we have limit x approaches 0. We could write this as x over sine x times 1 plus cos x. Is that okay? So we could write this as limit x approaches 0 for x over sine x times limit x approaches 0 for 1 plus cos x, correct? Now limit for the first expression, which we have here, is 1, right? So this one is 1, correct? And that's the next one. So limit when x approaches 0 for x over sine x is 1. So we have 1 times. If I substitute 0 here, I get 1 plus cos 0. And that is 1 times 1 plus cos 0 is 1. And that gives us 2 as the answer. And therefore, the answer for this question is that this limit is equals to 2. And that is how you would actually solve such a question. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.